regarding outstation taxes, every application service provider has to have certain norms. First, it has to have small vehicles like family cars and cheaper vehicles. Okay, small vehicles does not mean costly vehicles, cheaper vehicles. Secondly, that the rate of the this thing will be called. Let's listen. Secondly, the application service provider is to have cars that I mean vehicles which are comfortable and things like that. There should be an option of with AC or without AC. There are still people who can and likes to travel without AC. At climates when AC bars the mild cold air of the outside environment caused by the soon to come rains or things like that, or in case of outstations. Okay, so there should be an option for with AC without AC also, so that lower segment income of the people can afford the effectivity of taxis with I mean afford the effectivity of the cost savings while traveling. In case that such that a taxi needs to go off without AC in the middle of the time, in the middle of the course, may it be 25% from the prior, 25% at the last, whatever. So it is to be calculated that 50% is of the kilometer or this thing is there. Yes, then 50% of the it should be a blank rate that before 50% 50% is charged, and after 50% to 60% total AC is charged, whether it is off or on. So before 50% if you off the AC, that means you have to give the rate of the 50% of the traveling of the total fare. You travel 20% or 48% with AC, that is different issue. Travel for 50%, give the rate of the within 50%, shut off the AC, give the rate of the 50%. Travel for 60%, give the rate of the another 50% full. Now it may so happen that after 10% the person says on the AC, and after 20%, 40% he says off the AC. This cannot happen. Either you have to start with the AC and end it within 15%, 50%, or if you end it after 60%, that means you're paying for 100%, or you have to don't start with the AC itself. You cannot run the AC in between. This is the law for small SUVs and also etc. Every app-based service has to keep a bike service with proper helmet and protection. Raincoat also, general size and this thing, general size and things. These things. Okay. A bike two-wheeler, if allowed to ply at all, in case, I don't think it won't be allowed for this thing in cities, but excepting in villages, it is very helpful there itself. Can have only males to travel with, no females driver, and that it cannot be ridden by a female driver. Every app may have auto service similar as that of phone-based, app-based, phone-based car service at a concession rate, as has to be because it is cheaper, LPG is cheaper. Okay. Apps may have LPG cars, like Maruti Suzuki's nowadays learn to fly in LPGs and other cars also. In that case, they are to be marked and their price is to be lower than others. It may apply for SUVs also, I don't know. In case of diesel cars, the cost is lower, so traveling cost is lower, but the capital investment is higher. So the formula has to be fixed that a little lesser in value per kilometer value compared to the petrol car, if can be made and should be seen as for preparing the just fair practice of trade. In case of petrol and things like that, this is to be. Another point is to be seen that the depreciation of the car. New cars has to have a little higher value per kilometer. Old cars may have a little lower per kilometer. Opposite. No, I'm writing. Depreciation is higher in the beginning and lower in the end. So that has to be taken into account. So fixing of fare is not based on kilometer per liter and things like that. Yes, it is based on kilometer plus per liter, but it should be have some scientific basis formula also. These are few of them. Maybe there are others. Now the point is regarding maintenance of the car. In case of old cars, it may happen of extra carbon deposit or some local repairing of the pistons that may consume further more carbon or more fuel due to short thread plug in case of long thread or medium thread plug due to spark problem. These things, this consumption of higher petrol. Now in this case, an ideal situation is to be fixed that when you are taking this car or this number of values years being run, that at this depreciation value, it is assumed that engine takes so much, consumes so much petrol fuel, this thing energy, and in case of your car having problem with a higher range of plug for extra fuel intake or the piston being butterflied through local lathes and lathe machines for development without replacing the upper part of the engine, just to move on. This should not happen, but in case happens, so burns more fuel. So it is to be on the part of the owner to bear the loss. This should not come in the formula. It cannot and may not and should not and do not come on the formula. Another thing in the formula, fixing the fare of the formula in the fixing the fare of the car, is that a car is assumed to be plying 22 hours. 24 hours or 2 hours or no hours, that is a different issue. I assume to ply for 24 hours a day and 2 hours rest. So it is to have a proper checkup, maybe through the local, maybe the owner himself may be doing it. I don't mind, but the app has to remind the person that it is your to see that the car has under our invigilation run for this many kilometer. Therefore, the air filter, the oil filter or things like that, you have to check it up. It is to be prompted directly to the through the app to the owner. Next point is that a constant reminder has to be given, has to see that the coolant and this tire pressures and cleanings and what do you say that servicing, lift on the hydraulic brakes, this thing, and do a wash, no, oil wash and all these things, chassis wash and all these things. This has to be periodically noted to the owner, and the acceptance that it has been done is to be gathered and recorded in the database of the app service as a proper maintenance practice for the record for the practice record keeping for that vehicle, for each vehicle rather. So this is the thing that is to be done. So in case a taxi runs for say 100 kilometers in 2 days, say 300 kilometers in 2 days. So it is to be noted that you have run 300 kilometers and you are supposed to you are sorry and every servicing, that is water service or chassis service and gear oil or is to be checked after say I don't know say 500 kilometers, and the particular vehicle has run 400 kilometers within 7 days as per the records of the database of the each trip, it is journey. So the driver has to be reminded and seen that it is done. Suppose the driver runs off duty of the service for another 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, and it is already 600 kilometers, but the Uber knows only 300 kilometers. That is not part of the Uber to concern. But if it sees that 300 kilometers run, and you given the parameter that 500 kilometers after that you have to change the oil filter or do the servicing, all this and that and that, so it will notify and get that it is done for within 7 days, and without seeing that it is done by the owner through the app, the Uber will not assign any duty until it is done, and in case long stay it will penalize or lower rate the owner. This is the maintenance. Regarding car, another point is that the car parking should be mentioned as a registered garage, or in case the pavement is I mean to say very frankly purchased rather from the parking personnel. So in that case also, I mean, there has to be some legal documentation saying that your vehicle is residing in the safe place. I mean, in a legal place. It is safe answer, that is different issue. Unsafe place also may become catastrophic and unsafe. So it is in the residing on the legal place of the as the register. Happening that the legal place may be required to shift it due to road repairing, water line repairing and things. So that's a separate issue. But it should have a normal legal place, garage place, and it should be seen that ethical methods are followed where the normal place of garage is maintained and pertained every time, and as far most as possible not deviated away. Therefore, this is the regarding maintenance of the car. Regarding with the renewal of driving license of the driver or the owner permit trials license, etc., it is to be seen that things are done, and also a report is uploaded through scanning, through photograph or email or whatever, and that there is no lag behind in permission or transmit permission and things like that. I think there should be a support system for every app-based service, that in case the trading license is to be renewed, then the owner can directly approach to the this thing that my service this thing is to be renewed. I'm going to pay you through pay you the money. Please do the job in on my behalf. I mean, this is very facilitative for all the car owners, and very cheap, will become very cheap, because centralized processing cost cheaper, as because a particular assigned duty person is assigned duty, and he is assigned duties of all, therefore as a collectively it becomes less costlier. But if you done individually for individual person, it is costlier to me as for normal explanation. But then it may not happen that every car needs transport license to be updated every year. So in that case, that has to be considered. What is a trade-off has to be done between what is the least and the feast that is feasible, least and feast that is least and feasible outcome. So that is the road permit and things like that. So that is the whole picture. Yes, another point I forgot. Sorry to add it later, but regarding framing of fares. Now it is seen that I have to next video.